Good day? Well, no. Good afternoon, good night, or evening, or whatever.
Night.
It's night, yeah. We are going to be talking about, guess what?
What?
Birds. Hey!
Oh my goodness.
Okay, Saul. What springs to mind when you hear the word bird?
Know something that flies, that is little.
Okay.
Are you interested in birds?
Not really. Are you?
No.
What's your favorite bird?
The woodpecker. My
The
favorite bird is the woodpecker
Why?
because it has a cartoon and it's very funny.
Okay, your turn.
Have you ever had a bird as a pet?
Yes,
Is-
I have.
Is a bird a good pet?
No, it isn't. They die easily.
Really?
Yeah?
I don't want to have a bird. Never, ever.
No, because they live in cages, and that's not nice. Mm. Has a bird ever pooped on you?
Yeah, like 5 times, seven, six.
They say that's good luck.
Why?
I don't know. Crazy things.
Horrible.
It's crazy stuff. Your turn.
Are there any bird superstitions in your country?
Yeah. If a specific type of owl sings by your house, it means someone in your family will die. Wow, that's just a superstition. I don't believe in that. Mm. Mm. Wow, ugly questions. What's the rarest bird you've ever seen?
Uh, mm, uh, uh, a dodo.
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 Why?
It's like I thought it was like this, but it's like at the human size.
Okay.
Has your cat ever brought a dead bird into your house?
Yes, and you remember that.
The
When-
head,
When Pepper brought a bird's head.
only the head.
Ooh, spooky. Um, has a bird ever crashed into or flown through a window in your home?
No.
Okay.
Have you ever found a bird's egg in spring?
No, I don't remember. Mm. Where am I? What's your least favorite bird?
Mm, mm, the pelican,
Okay.
because the pelican wants to eat Nemo and Marlin and Dory.
No, that's good. No, I mean, that's bad. Are birds. I know. It's your turn.
What is your least favorite bird?
Number 5.
What is the most beautiful bird?
The quetzal.
Um,
Have you ever seen a quetzal?
no.
A guacamaya is beautiful. Are birds really free as the expression as free as a bird suggests?
Can you repeat again?
Are birds really free as the expression as free as a bird suggests?
No. Most of them live in cages
In cages.
In cages.
Okay.
or in human houses. How many special species of birds do you think there are in the world?
Thousands? Maybe. I don't really know.
Me neither.
How many bird species do you think are endangered?
1,000?
Okay.
What's the most common bird in your town or country?
The pigeon.
Do you like it?
No, I don't. They poop on me. Okay. Why do you think humans are so fascinated by birds?
Because some birds are very beautiful. They can be big or little.
I think because they do pio pio.
And they
Tweet,
sing.
tweet.
And they sing.
Okay, that's it for today. Say bye bye.
Bye bye.